Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Both devices must share the same Wi-Fi and have mirroring features enabled. Next, disable VPNs or any network isolation that blocks local discovery. Make sure Bluetooth is active so devices can find each other quickly. Now open the source device's control center or quick settings and choose screen mirroring or cast. You're initiating the connection now, so watch for the listed target name and tap it to start the handshake and request permissions. Once you tap the target device, accept any prompts that appear on the receiver. This confirms access and secures the session. Then tune settings. Lower resolution or disable high frame rate if lag appears, set audio output to the receiver, and lock orientation if needed to prevent rotation jumps. If you notice packet loss or stuttering, make sure both devices are close to the router and on 5 GHz. Alternatively, plug a cable for instant, stable mirroring. These adjustments balance quality versus latency. You finish by confirming the stream is smooth and then stop mirroring when done using the stop mirroring or disconnect control. Make sure recordings or presentations are saved. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices and the router to clear transient network glitches. If discovery still fails, reset network settings on one device or try an app-specific cast mode that often bypasses OS-level restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: if the receiver never appears, check for a guest or privacy mode that hides device name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.